Yeah, they thought they could come in from that side. God damn. See, I told you they thought they could. I mean, shit, fuck it, go ahead, bring it back. Oh, shit, not in there. Where the fuck he at? I swear I seen a nigga hanging out the window. I don't know if I'm tripping or not. Must have got my glasses or something. Bro, you good? And look, 12. Oh, yeah, I gotta ease it. Watch out, Corey! Think about it, get smacked by all this. Nigga be driving. Dickhead. Don't be running like that, man. Oh, that's game. He finna throw the cone in the middle. That's alright. Man, ain't no way. Honda fucking Accord, boy, chill. Who was that? Might get in the middle of this one, I don't know. Oh, I know. Top place again, I just did. Did not tell the cops. Sure, boy.
Not leaving. We're not going nowhere. Allied Universal. Dress like one, you goofy ass.
Hey, spin that shit!
Spin that shit!
Oh, he's calling Popo!
Who you calling? 911. Hey, officer.
We got an allied security officer right here.
Excuse me, officer.
He hurt. He hurt.
Another cop busting up.
Yeah, another cop trying to bust us.
I got cord to make a call to the police.
Yeah, you know you don't get paid $2.
God damn.
Oh, yeah, he got to make a phone call. Is that the police? That's the boss man. Boss man gonna tell you.
Hey, let us fly, bro. Come on. They won't know. They won't know. Hey, bring him up. Hey, let's start.
Damn, she took a shirt out this thing.
I work right there, big dog. We got permission. We got permission. I work right there.
Hey, let's spin it around him.
Hey,
No
somebody-
cap.
Hey, someone spin it around him. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Hey!
Yo, bullshit. Exactly, no bullshit. Nah, we blocking that shit.
Oh, yeah, we blocking this shit.
Yeah, we blocking that shit. Blocking that shit.
Burn this shit out!
Hey, over here.
Oh, now.
Hey, turn the other way. Hey, spin this way. Spin that way. If you don't spin
God damn!
so fat, man. Fuck, nigga. That nigga know what's up. Not go stage if I can't run for God. They'll try hard jumping on the chill. We got hops still built to make a play with the cops. Spend 5 time one day. Going on my shows, give a fuck if it's the ball. Always smash out, crash out. Streets like the first ain't going for 3 days. No cash count, I'm up to cash out. He tried to keep up with money, but the buddy, he done ran down. Stay in the Benz, we done ran down. He should've left 9, but he meant not to stand out. Walked in the room, had her ass out. I'll count the narrows on hell in my business. I'm a man now. Roll like an awesome, we smoke.
Damn. Shoulda, man. That shit hurt. Oh, shit. He on the scooter out there, man. Niggas pull up on the scooter out this Ooh, them bitches hard. Them rims hard as a bitch on there, I ain't gonna lie to you. Them rims, they got bronze on one side, black on the other side. Let's see the more over there. Oh, chill. Hell no, I ain't gonna get hit, nigga. With the door open? With the door open? Oh! Let's see if they pull in here.
Let's go! Let's go!
Where we going? Damn, there go another one.
Put that video on my mute.
I got you.
Yeah, that's all.
12 right there. Cool. Oh, for real? Where you at? All-wheel drive. most definitely. He's everything. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, he hit. Oh, we don't have to hit that damn curve.
Keep going up to the Mustang.
Oh, I got it all. I got it, bro. He must be a beginner. Yeah, like where you going? Like you see all this right here. You see all this space right here. You all the way over there. Yeah, he fucking. Alright now, don't come too close over here. It is a pony, remember that? Crash to anything.
Bro, hit the.
Suspicious. Don't you think that's suspicious? Don't you think that's suspicious? Yeah.
Everybody get distracted.
That's why I keep the camera rolling. Nah, them bitches can swing.
No, that bitch, nah, his shit was bad, bro.
Hey, you got a few more there. I mean, I've seen people swinging better than that, but. Look, yeah.
Damn, bitch.
Oh, he got me a little close to the curb. Don't hit me.
Emma, you're stupid.
Fuck you too then, bitch. I wish that bitch would run me over. Yeah, she could go around me.